Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z 450, a bike designed for riders who want explosive power, precision handling, and championship-level performance. Let's break down what makes this motocross machine stand out. Engine and power. At the heart of the RM-Z 450 is a 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke DOHC engine. It delivers strong low-end torque, quick throttle response, and smooth power delivery. Thanks to Suzuki's advanced fuel injection system, the bike performs consistently on all types of tracks. Suspension and handling. The RM-Z 450 is built on a lightweight aluminum frame paired with Showa coil spring front forks and a Showa BFRC rear shock. This combination offers exceptional stability, sharp cornering, and excellent control during jumps, making it a trusted choice for competitive riders. Brakes and control. Stopping power comes from a 270mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc. These high-performance brakes provide confidence in tight turns and high-speed sections. Electronics and features. The bike includes Suzuki's whole-shot assist control, also known as SHAC, giving riders a boosted start off the line. You also get 2 selectable engine maps, allowing quick adjustments for different riding conditions. Design and color. The 2025 RM-Z 450 continues Suzuki's iconic look with its champion yellow No. 2 color scheme, a bold mix of yellow, blue, and black graphics that truly stand out on the track. Conclusion. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z 450 delivers the perfect blend of power, control, and reliability. Whether you're racing competitively or pushing your limits on the track, this bike is built to perform. That's your full look at the RM-Z 450, a machine made for winners. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.